I have just started using Canva, and wow, it's changed my life. 44, take 6.
Canva whiteboards really get our ideas flowing.
Our brainstorms are a vibe.
Love your work, team.
Today I'm designing a Canva website. Just pick a template, and I'm done.
Love the website, Ella. I ain't trying to lose my job, but I'm getting most of my work done in half the time with Canva. You're not recording this, right? Well, excuse me, Mr. Hollywood.
It's just me and Canva video. Just one click, and bye-bye background. Easy. Back down, and left, and right. There we go. Up, back down, and go. Go, and go. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
This Canva doc is so visual. Ooh, what's this? I can turn a doc into a deck? I feel like I'm grieving for the lost time, you know? The time before Canva.
Just breathe through it.
My fave, Canva presentation.
Just needs to feel a little more on brand.
I love this. What will you design today? At canva.com.